Hello friends, in this lecture I am going to teach you how to create or set up a Google Analytics account. So let's start. To set up a Google Analytics account, you need to log in Google Analytics. After that, here you can find an admin button. Click here. Then here you can find create account, create property. To set up a new account, click on create account. Here you need to type your account name. Let's say for example, Techo. Here you need to click on next. Here you need to give property name. Select your reporting time zone, the country, time zone, currency. Here you can find show advanced option. Here create universal analytic property. Friends, universal analytic is the old Google Analytic which will closed on July 1, 2023. But if you want to create Google Analytics property, you need to just click here. If you want to create a both Google Analytics and Universal Google Analytics 4 and a Universal Analytics, click here. If you want to create a both property, click here. If you want to create a both property, Google Analytics 4 and Universal Analytics property. If you want to create only Universal Analytics property, just click here. Or if you don't want to create a old analytic, you just need to create a new Google Analytics 4. Then just click on next. Here you need to tell your business size. Let's say for example medium scale. How do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business? Check all that apply. Click all the option. Then click on create. Google Analytics terms of service agreement. Need to select the country. I also accept. I accept. Here you need to choose the platform. For example, if you create Google Analytics for your website, then click here. You are going to create analytic for your Android app, click here, or iOS app, iOS app, click here. You want to create for iOS, click here. We are going to create analytic for website, so click here. Wait. Here you need to add your website address. For example, www.gurukul. Here you need to add a website name. Enhance measurement. Measuring page view, scroll, outbound clicks, site search, video engagement. By default, it's selected. If you want to keep any, if you remove any, if you want to remove one of these, if you want to remove, then click here, or you can remove some of point if you don't want. Create stream. Data collection isn't active for your website. If you install tag more than 48 hours ago, make sure they are set up correctly. So here click on view tag instruction. Here you can find the installation tag which you want to add on your website. Here they give you two options: install with a website builder or CMS, or install manually. So scan your website. If the website is on WordPress, you can use some of plugin, or here you get the code. Or once you create an account, you can get a measurement ID. So whenever some tools asking measurement ID or website asking measurement ID for tracking, you need to give this. Okay, back to click on enter. Here is the code, and you need to paste in every page of your website. So we see like this: login into your WordPress website or your website. You can add plugin, or if you want to manually add the NIT code in your header, then appearance, then theme header file. Here you need to select the header file. Yes. After head tag, you can paste your code here and then update. File successfully edited. Now the code is added. Now if you want to track that you have added your, now you want to check that your code is perfectly added or it's perfectly working or not, then click on report, go to the real time and refresh your website or reload the page of your website, and here you can get the indication. Here you can get an indication. We need to wait for some minutes. See, here you can get some indication. So by this step you can create a Google Analytics account. I hope this will help to you. Thank you.